Hello, my name is Rizka Oktalan Putri and my friend Natasha Safitri and Raina Sabrina. So, today we are going to explain about a problem with passive verb. Passive voice is a grammatical contraction where the subject of the sentence receives the action of the verb reader then performing it. In English, passive voice is a format using the verb to be followed by the past participle of the main verb. Structure of passive voice, the basic formula is subject plus be in appropriate tenses and plus past participle and plus by agent. Example in different tenses. The first is present simple tenses. The example is the leader is written by Zaki, and a present continuous. The leader is being written by Zaki, and then a present perfect tenses. The leader has been written by Zaki, and a past simple tenses. The letter was written by Zaki, and a past continuous. The example is the leader was being written by Zaki, and a past perfect tenses. The leader had been written by Zaki, and a future simple tenses. The example is the leader will be written by Zaki, and then the future perfect. The leader will have been written by Zaki, and then the last modal verb. The leader must, should, or could be written by Zaki. And next topic is active versus passive comparison. Active voice actually with subject plus verb and object focus in on the door of the action. The example is Zaki reads a letter, and then the passive voice, the object verb by subject focus on the receiver of the action. Example, a leader is written by Zaki. Next topic is when to use passive voice. The first, when the agender is unknown or unimportant. Example, my car was stolen. We don't know who did it. And then when to action in a more important than the agent. In scientific or technical writing for objectify, and then when the receiver of the action is the topic of discussion, and then last to avoid naming the responsible person. Example, mistakes were made during the project.
Common mistake in passive voice. 1. Forgetting to be. The verb to be is essential in passive sentence. Contoh yang salah, the book written by a famous author atau missing was. Contoh yang betul, the book was written by a famous author. 2. Wrong verb from. Use the past participle in passive voice. Contoh yang salah, the house is built last year. Contoh yang betul, the house was built last year. 3. Incorrect tense of to be. The verb to be must match the tense. Contoh yang salah, the letter will written tomorrow. Contoh yang betul, the letter will be written tomorrow. Or using passive with intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs haven't, are with, cannot be passive. Contoh yang salah, the accident was happened yesterday. Contoh yang betul, the accident happened yesterday. Passive voice with different verb types. 1. With direct and indirect object. The object becomes the focus in passive voice. Wrong example, the teacher gave the student homework. Correct example, homework was given to the student by teacher. With phrasal verbs, keep the verb and preposition together when forming passive voice. From example, they called off the meeting. Correct example, the meeting was called off. 3. With infinitive verbs. Infinitives 2 plus verb remain in passive form. Wrong example, they asked him to leave. Correct example, he was asked to leave. The passive voice exists in many languages, but is formed differently. 1. In English, the passive voice is formed using the verb to be, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Example, the cake was baked by my mother. 2. In Indonesia, the passive voice is usually formed by adding the prefix di before the verb. Example, buku itu dibaca oleh saya, atau the book was read by me. 3. In Spanish, the passive voice can be formed using ser plus past participle or by using the reflexive si contraction. Example, el libro fue leído por Juan. The book was read by Juan.
Hello guys, so guys, I will explain the material for exercise for practice. Exercise 1, identify passive construction. Identify whether the following sentence use active or passive voice. Example 1. The movie was directed by Steven Spielberg. 2. The chef prepares delicious meals every day. 3. The windows are cleaned twice a month. 4. Students take exams at the end of each semester. 5. Is a coffee is grown in Colombia. Next, exercise 2. Transform from active to passive. Change the sentence from the active to passive voice. Example 1. The teachers explain the lesson. 2. The company hired 10 new employees last month. 3. They are building a new shopping mall in the city center. 4. Someone has stolen my bicycle. 5. The government will announce the new regulation next week. Next, exercise 3. Transform from passive to active. Change this sentence from passive to active voice. 1. The building was damaged by the earthquake. 2. The novel has been written by a young author. 3. English is spoken in many countries. 4. The thief was caught by the police. The package will be delivered tomorrow. Next, exercise 4. Complete the sentence. Fill in the blank with the correct passive from the verb in parentheses. Example, like 1. This building by blah 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 construct in the 1919 maybe. Sorry. 2. The letter blah 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 not sent yet. 3. The dish blah 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 was right now. 4. By the time we arrive, the problem solved. 5. All the tickets blah 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 sell before we got there. So guys, I will explain the material of assessment techniques. 1. Multiple choice question on identifying passive structure. 2. Fill in the blank exercise with appropriate forms. 3. Transformation text. In transformation text,
active to passive and vice versa. 4. Error correction activities. 5. Writing assignment requiring appropriate use of passive voice. And then I will explain real-world application. 1. Academic writing, research paper. Itu scientific report. 2. News reporting, headlines, article. 3. Business communication, formal emails, reports. That's the reports. 4. Technical documentation or manuals, that is instructions. 5. Legal documents or laws, itu contracts and agreement. So that's the explain to me for the exercise for practice, assessment techniques, and the last one is real world application. Thank you.